Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one means 50%. Correct. Number two, where does Bob? Yeah, that's right. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. We will eat half of the papaya. We will eat half of the papaya. Half. We don't pronounce the L. We will eat half of the papaya equals 50%. Now we can make a flashcard for half. We almost always use half with of the. And we don't say this very often, but technically, two halves. We have to change the spelling. Please make a flashcard like this. Write half up here, H-A-L-F. Down here, N1. This means noun, level 1. Over here, the number 74 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The same sound as cat. Half. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer lives here. Jennifer lives here. Jennifer lives here. She lives here. She sleeps here. She eats here. She takes a shower here. Now we can make a flashcard for live. Please make a card like this. The basic form is to live somewhere. Down here, V1. This means verb, level 1. Over here, the number 36 out of 82. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Live. Live. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned 50% equals half of the. Very good. Number two, where does Bob live? Correct. Where does he sleep? Every night. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number one is in a dictionary. Definition. Very good. Number two, can you say it? Contraction. For example, I will. Together, I'll. Number three, to float on water. To stay at the top of the water. The opposite of floating is to sink. Today is Wednesday, August 20th. show number 195. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.